The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just a phone, it's the boldest expression of mobile innovation yet. Imagine a device that folds like a book, works like a laptop, feels like a tablet, and fits in your pocket. That's the Fold 8, the perfect fusion of engineering mastery and next-generation design. Over the years, Samsung has single-handedly shaped the foldable industry, turning a once experimental idea into one of the most exciting trends in modern tech. Now, with the Z Fold 8, the company is proving once again why it's the undisputed leader of the foldable revolution. From incredible display technology to AI-driven performance, longer battery life, and a refined S Pen experience, this phone isn't just about specs, it's about redefining what mobile devices can do. For years, critics said foldables were fragile, bulky, and impractical. Screens creased easily, hinges wore out, and batteries drained too quickly. But the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is here to silence all those doubts, transforming every weakness into a strength. It's a glimpse of how far technology has come and how much further Samsung plans to go. Key innovations in the Galaxy Z Fold 81. Revolutionary foldable display. Almost crease-free perfection, Samsung's world-famous Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display gets its biggest upgrade yet. Thanks to cutting-edge laser micro-etching and an improved ultra-thin glass (UTG) layer, the Fold 8 nearly eliminates the crease, offering a seamless viewing experience that feels futuristic. This new 7.8-inch inner display delivers QHD+ resolution, HDR10+ certification, and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, making it a paradise for gamers, streamers, and multitaskers alike. The exterior cover display isn't left behind either. It's now wider, brighter, and easier to use one-handed. Whether you're taking a quick selfie or replying to a message, the Fold 8 ensures convenience without unfolding. Even the display coating has been enhanced with NanoShield technology, improving scratch and smudge resistance by over 40%. Simply put, it's the smoothest, brightest, and most durable screen Samsung has ever made on a foldable. Bigger battery? Smarter power management? Battery anxiety? Not anymore. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 houses a 5200mAh AI-optimized dual-cell battery, ensuring longer screen-on time and smarter energy distribution. The AI system monitors your daily usage patterns, learning which apps you open most often and when, intelligently limiting background processes to save power. Combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, it's up to 25% more efficient than the Fold 5. You also get 65W wired fast charging, 45W wireless and reverse wireless charging to power up your Galaxy Buds or Galaxy Watch 8 on the go. A quick 10-minute charge gives nearly 50% juice, perfect for busy professionals who live life unplugged. The iconic S Pen returns, smarter, sharper, sleeker. The S Pen Fold Edition makes a glorious return, and this time, it's re-engineered to match the slimmer, lighter body of the Fold 8. It's not just a stylus, it's your creative weapon. Take handwritten notes during meetings, sketch on the expansive display, sign documents instantly, or turn your phone into a mini graphic tablet. Samsung's AI handwriting to text now recognizes over 100 languages and even auto-formats notes for productivity. For artists and designers, the ultra-low latency tip provides paper-like precision. And yes, Samsung has finally found a way to integrate the S Pen slot without bulking up the frame, ensuring a clean, minimalist design for slimmer, stronger, and more stylish than ever. The Z Fold 8 redefines premium craftsmanship. It's 10% lighter and 8% thinner than the Fold 5, built from Samsung's new Armor Aluminum 2.0 frame and protected by Gorilla Glass armor on the cover. The re-engineered Flex Hinge 3.0 now supports over 500,000 folds, with improved dust and water resistance, certified IPX8. You can open it halfway to use flex mode, perfect for video calls, photography, or watching YouTube hands-free. With colors like titanium silver, phantom black, and arctic blue, this phone isn't just high-tech, it's a luxury statement. The foldable war. Samsung versus the world competition is fierce. Huawei's Mate X7, Xiaomi's Mix Fold 4, Google's Pixel Fold 2, and Apple's rumored foldable iPhone are all trying to dethrone Samsung, but none match the Fold 8's perfect blend of hardware mastery and software intelligence. Samsung has spent nearly a decade perfecting foldable UX, and One UI 7.1 proves it, with seamless app transitions, improved taskbar multitasking, drag and drop between screens, and enhanced DeX mode for full desktop-like productivity. Samsung's early mover advantage continues to shine as rivals scramble to catch up. Foldables go mainstream. From luxury to lifestyle gone are the days when foldables were flashy prototypes. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 represents the mainstream moment for this category, a device meant for everyone, not just tech enthusiasts. For professionals, it's a pocket-sized productivity hub, split-screen emails, Zoom calls, and document editing all at once. For content creators, it's a camera plus canvas combo, perfect for editing reels or sketches on the move. For everyday users, it's elegance and practicality merged, offering a compact phone that expands into a tablet for entertainment and gaming. Samsung's focus on durability, battery longevity, and usability makes the Fold 8 a reliable daily driver, not just a futuristic gadget. Performance powerhouse, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy. At its heart lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, Qualcomm's most advanced chip ever, built on a 3nm process. It brings 30% faster CPU, 40% stronger GPU, AI coprocessors that enhance camera, battery, and thermal control. The Fold 8 can stream 8K content, render console-grade games, and manage 3 apps simultaneously without stutter. It's designed for the future of AI-driven experiences, from live language translation to automatic photo retouching and scene recognition. Samsung's cooling vapor chamber ensures consistent performance even during marathon gaming or editing sessions. Cameras that redefine foldable photography. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just powerful, it's a photography beast. It backs a 200MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. AI scene optimization now processes images in real time, balancing shadows, highlights, and color tones for DSLR-like quality. The under-display front camera is improved too, offering clearer selfies and better video calls while keeping the inner screen uninterrupted. Fold the phone halfway and flex cam. Mode lets you shoot stabilized 4K videos hands-free, ideal for vloggers and content creators. Shaping the future of mobile technology, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another yearly upgrade. It's a defining chapter in Samsung's innovation story. It shows what happens when a company refuses to settle and keeps pushing the boundaries of what's possible. By addressing every pain point, durability, crease, battery, and usability, Samsung is making foldables not just desirable but dependable. And as competitors chase the trend, Samsung continues to lead the revolution, shaping the future where your phone becomes your workspace, your studio, and your entertainment hub. Expected release date, price, and availability. Insiders suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will debut at Samsung Unpacked 2025, likely in August 2025, alongside the Z Flip 8. Expected starting price, $1,799 USD, with storage options up to 1 TB. Samsung may also unveil a Fold 8 Ultra variant with a titanium frame, higher refresh rate, and exclusive color finishes. Pre-orders are rumored to begin the same day as launch, with shipping expected in early September.